Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp on a stick-easy guide. Thread shrimp onto soaked skewers gently, leaving small gaps for heat to circulate. Preheat your grill or skillet to medium-high and oil the grates lightly. Cook shrimp 2 to 3 minutes per side until pink and opaque, turning once. Rest briefly, then serve with lemon wedges and a simple herb garnish for bright flavor. Make a quick marinade by combining lemon juice, olive oil, crushed garlic, smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt. Toss shrimp gently to coat and chill for 15 to 30 minutes to absorb flavor without turning mushy. If you like a touch of heat, add a dash of cayenne or chopped chili flakes. Remember that citrus cooks proteins, so timing matters for the best texture and the juiciest result. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which makes post-cook cleanup a breeze when crumbs and shells are inevitable. It's a fun kitchen companion that listens and works quietly while you relax. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Choose the cooking method that fits your setup: grill for smoky char, skillet for even sear, or broiler for a quick finish. Keep shrimp spaced and cook in a single layer for uniform heat exposure. Flip once when the underside turns golden and the edges curl slightly. Test doneness by checking that shrimp are opaque and firm but still springy. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and fresh herbs for brightness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.